First day of November. Magandang umaga. Say magandang umaga, Mudra. Magandang umaga. First day of November, and let's have another affix. First, pa is used to indicate an action that is just about to be done. You can see it often used with palang, and we already have a video about using palang. You can visit the link sa ibaba. Paalis pa lang. Just about to go or just about to leave. Papasok pa lang or papasok pa lang. If you mean to say just about to go to work or school. Paluto na. It's almost cooked. Paluto na. Papunta na. Papunta na ako. I'm already on my way. Paluto na ang
Ulam.
pwede. Paluto na ang ulam. Another use of pa is, it is used as contraction of taki. To say kindly or please. Palagay naman ito dyan. Palagay naman ito dyan. Example. Mama, palagay naman ito dyan. Dyan. Palagay. Salamat. Another example. Mudra. Pasabi kay Papa mamaya, ang sarap ng niluto niyang pansit kagabi. Pasabi kay Papa mamaya, ang sarap ng niluto niyang pansit kagabi. As usual. Loves you.
Alam ko. I knew it.
Don't think about Pudra. Pudra loves you. Pasabi kay Papa mamaya, ang sarap ng pansit na niluto niya kagabi. Last one, when attached to words or adjectives, pa indicates that someone or something is becoming more and more of whatever word or adjective pa is attached to. And also, I just want to add, like I said before, most Tagalog adjectives starts with ma prefix. So, to say that someone or something is becoming more and more, let's say, maganda, and you wanna say, maganda, beautiful, and you wanna say, someone is becoming more and more beautiful, paganda ka ng paganda. You're becoming more and more beautiful, paganda ka ng paganda. Let's say, something is getting bigger and bigger, palaki ng palaki. Let's say, your bill is getting higher and higher, pataas ng pataas. My water bill is getting higher and higher, pataas ng pataas ang bill ko sa tubig. Or, my electric bill is getting higher and higher, pataas ng pataas ang bill ko sa kuryente. Palamig ng palamig ang panahon. Mudra?
Paano pa yan? Ang tamad-tamad ko.
Palamig ng palamig ang panahon. Palamig ng palamig ang panahon.
Buti pa siguro.
The weather is getting colder and colder. Ayan lang para sa ating Tagalog affixes. Hanggang sa muli!